easily access your favorite and most used apps. The following process is the same even though your TV may look a little different. Press Home to open Smart Hub. From the app's home screen, open up Settings. Choose an app, select Move, and then, using the directional pad on your remote, move it. Press Select to set it in place. Want to move your favorite apps to the Smart Hub Apps Launcher? Just select Add to Home. And then move your app. You can also rearrange apps directly on the Smart Hub Apps Launcher. Press the down directional button on the remote control and move it. Now you can get to your favorites more quickly.